Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this afternoon I'm going to prepare ravioli. It's an Italian dish, and guess you all know what is ravioli. This is ravioli. They wrote it here in Deutschland, So I'm going to be making it with turkey, and this turkey I'm going to be baking it in the oven. I'm going to use oven to dry it with it. I'm going to make it with sauce, tomatoes. All the ingredients I'm going to use is here. First of all, I have to dry it in the oven because I don't want to fry it. Feel free to use any one of your choice. In Italy, the way I'm going to make my own now is very different because I am adding crayfish on my turkey because I'm going to blend the crayfish. You can see the machine is right here. I'm going to blend it. There is pepper inside. I have one fresh pepper and half inside. I'm going to blend everything there. Then I will use it to mix all the ingredients. I will mix it together with the onions and everything. Then I will put it in the oven to dry before I start making the sauce. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I just want to explain you how I make this delicious ravioli. So those are the ingredients I'm using to make this food. This is we have a curry powder here, rosemary, Maggi flavor. Here is salt. We have avocado flavor for chicken. It's very nice. Black pepper. We have a brio hamburger mango flavor, and I have tomatoes here. Those are the ingredients I'm using to prepare this meal, this delicacy ravioli. So let's get into the video, guys. First of all, I have to blend the onions, and I have also garlic here. This is garlic. So let's get into the video. First of all, welcome back to my channel. If today is the first time I'm coming across my video, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to see it. If you are my returnees, I always love you guys because you guys are awesome. You guys are the one that make me to be in this position today. I so much love you guys. Thank you, and God bless you always for always passing by to watch my video. I am contented. Thank you so much. I love you guys. If you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that red button and press subscribe, and subscribe to this channel. Join this amazing family. Thank you guys. Let's get into the video. Okay, continue watching, guys. Stay tuned and continue watching. Okay guys, as you can see, I blend everything already, the crayfish, the onions and the pepper. So I'm going to be adding them here now with these ingredients. All the ingredients you see here, this is what you are seeing here now. So I mix everything together. So I'm going to be turning everything in now. Okay, you can see the onions. I did not finish everything because I'm going to use it for the sauce. Now I will be adding the sauce that I'm going to use to mix everything. It's a delicious meal you are seeing, guys. You can see everything is properly mixed. Now I have to bring it here. Okay guys, I take it to the oven already. The turkey, I'm putting it in the 250, guys, 250. Okay guys, I want to start frying the sauce now. First thing to add on it, I have to put a little salt because we have the salt already in the turkey. So now I will add onions. I'll just turn it a little bit, let it stew. I will leave it for at least 1 minute to stew a little bit. Now I will add my tomatoes. Let me add a little bit of tomatoes. I will add my garlic. It's very good for body. Garlic is so healthy. So I have my Maggi, but I will have it. You know, I show you 2 Maggi, but I'm not using the 2. I use one half already. The remaining half I will be using because I use the half to make the turkey in the oven, so I will use the half one now. First of all, I will use this. I will put the Maggi first to see how, so that I don't want this thing to be stopping. Okay. First of all, let me add. I will put the turkey first because my turkey have already dried. Now I will be adding the turkey inside here. This is the turkey here. I will be bringing it into the turkey. So then I will cover, just put a little bit of water. I will put a little bit of water. First of all, before I add water, I will bring my sauce, the one I ground before, the blend to match the onions and the, okay, I will just add everything inside here. Then I have to turn it. Feel free to use any one of your choice, okay? This one is just my mode of cooking this ravioli. I have not used this mode before. It's the second time I'm using it now. This is the second time. I've already used it before, but I've not used it for my video before. So feel free to use any style of yours. Okay, you can fry it, you can steam it, any one of your choice, guys. Okay, I had a little water. See you guys later when I'm done with everything, guys. Okay, see you guys later. I will test it if the Maggi is not enough because I have not had that Maggi. I just keep it for a side in case of scarcity. See you guys later. Okay, I will be adding my ravioli inside now. It's just 8 to 10 minutes inside here. So let's put it. As you can see, guys, my sauce is ready. Okay, I don't want to cook so much. I just cook it for 7 minutes. 7 minutes, my sauce is ready, and the ravioli is there already. In the next few minutes, ravioli will be ready as well. See you later. It's still going like this because I off the gas already, just because it's still on top of the gas. That is why it's still. So see you later. My sauce is ready. Voila! My food is ready, guys. This is my ravioli with prosciutto. I show you guys again prosciutto, then use prosciutto to make it. This is my food is ready, guys. Wow. Can I have a taste of? Okay, guys, you know now, as usual, this food You need to see the kind of delicious it is. You need to see the taste of this food. Maybe because I had crayfish inside. Guys, let me say, see you for my next video. Bye bye. So delicious. See you for my next video.